Hello everybody on YouTube. Today I'm just going to be unboxing my brake kit I got. It's something special. It's just a drone solid rotor with some carbon ceramic pads and stuff. And I'm just going to show you guys here. My header comes in on pretty soon too. So I'll kind of like mesh it up together. Make one video of like a little unboxing video. Show you guys what we got. A lot of bubble wrap. Alright, so here are the pads. So carbon fiber ceramic performance pads. Alright, I don't really need a brake like a big Brembo kit, you know, for what I'm gonna achieve, but these pads will, and these roads will help with the whole cooling of the rotors, and it should improve stopping power just a bit. And yes, I know these pads and these rotors wear faster than the original ones. I'm well aware of that. Alright, so I'm assuming these are the rear and these are the front. I'm gonna put this down real quick just to open it up. Bubble wrap. That should be fine. Okay. Yeah, so my my rotors and pads were going pretty bad, which is kind of why I got this, or else I probably wouldn't even have bothered to buy new pads. I am gonna get a bigger brake kit in the future when I decide to push more power, but as of now, that's not really on my mind yet. So let's open this up and see what we got in here. Alright, so here's the front driver's side rotor, and these are all actually OEM size, so I don't have to change the caliber bracket or redo any lines, so it's cool. It's a simple bolt-on mod. See, I'm gonna take it out of its little shell. It's sagging. Okay, here we go. It's a better look. Let's give her some better lighting. Hell yeah, it's gonna look nice. And also I'm gonna get some center caps for my wheels, so the whole like rims is gonna have like a nice little new look. And I am planning to paint the caliper bracket. I'm not sure what color yet, but it's definitely gonna get painted. Make the brakes and the pad, you know, or the upper bracket pop a little bit. And here we have the rear one. So yeah, it's gonna look pretty cool, nice and clean. So I can't really show you guys how it's gonna look, but it's definitely gonna look nice and clean. Alrighty. I'm guessing the next part of the video is going to be me unboxing my Skunk 2 header when it comes in. So, I'll see you guys then. Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is going to be part of my unboxing video I upload. And this right here is, I'm pretty sure this is my Skunk 2 header. So we're going to open this bad boy up. That's what we got. Let's see, there you go. Okay, just gonna and slightly run this across the top. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this. We got some stickers. Hell yeah. That already makes it worth the buy. Keep some header. Okay. Oh yeah. Alright. Place to set it down at. Give me a second. Can look at my shifter now. Alright. Here it is. So it's a, what did I say? It's Kong 2K tuned header. Really nice quality. Super light too. This thing is really light. So, let's see. This is so the exhaust can move around. Little spring here. This is really nice and machined, really smooth, really nice. Hell yeah! The quality of this thing looks amazing. Looks legit. And this is here is a. I'm assuming this is replaces the cat. Not too sure. It's kind of test pipe. There's that. Looks legit. And here is bolts. Looks like we're gonna use the old bolts. And it did not come with a gasket, so I gotta get myself a gasket for the header. Alright. Right here. Alright. So hell yeah, this thing looks legit. Going to probably be installing this on the weekend, just in case you run into any complications. Don't want to do it during the weekday. If I need my car, I won't be able to drive it because it is my only car. So yeah, I don't think I'll be unboxing anything else anytime soon. So I'll probably close the video off here. And if you guys liked it, you know, feel free to give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Guys, welcome. So this will probably be the last thing I unbox in my unboxing video. A set of K Sport coilovers. Yeah, let's open them up. I forgot what the actual name of the coilovers are called, but they're pretty much like your starter I guess like track coilovers. Got like 36 adjustments of dampening and all that stuff. Obviously adjustable, right? Stiffness and stuff like that. They run around about like $1,000. And here we are. Alright, let's get one of these bad boys out. There you go. Looks good. So this is where you adjust the height basically. And here are some of the. So this is where I guess you would adjust the stiffness right here. With these things, you pretty much. Here's the one for the front. Come on now. Oh well. I'll give you guys a thorough look and a detailed explanation of them when I do the install. But yeah, they're pretty legit coilovers. Like I said, they run around right about $1,000. And yeah, I'm stoked. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This is probably it for the rest of the. Cállese. That's probably it for the unboxing video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching, and like I said, if you guys like the video, feel free to subscribe. Right now I'm doing the header. You can probably tell because of the header. But yeah, I'll probably upload that in a few weeks after this one, just because I also have some videos stacked up behind this one. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.